Bonjour, hello, namaste, hello, hola. You see so many different words written on this slide pack. From A2IT Private Limited, one of the prestigious organizations, I on behalf of this organization welcome you all to Java Complete series. This Java Complete series tutorial that we have is divided into 3 modules where we have Java Beginners, Java Intermediate and Java Advanced. As part of this curriculum, we are going to cover right from the basic concept of what Java is, how Java was created, who created, why was Java created, which years are association with Java, to a concept where we will be understanding the concepts of variable, constants, the loops, the selection statements, the different data structures. There's a bundle of good things which we have kind of encapsulated in our Java Beginners module. As part of our Java Intermediate, which is the next level in this complete Java series, we have the concepts of OOPS, we have uncovered the concepts of collections, we have done the concepts of understanding as to what encapsulation, polymorphism is all about. We have touched base a bit of exception handling. As part of our Java Advanced, ranging from collection frameworks to multi-threading, to concepts which will tell us how file handling is done, to concepts which will guide us how assertions can be used, we have a bundle of good things in this pack. Along with this video tutorials, we aim to provide all our delegates a booklet in which whatever code that we will be writing as part of this video series, that code is also going to be made available for you in a Word document. The benefit of this code will be, while practicing, anytime you want to refer to the code that has been written at the time of the video tutorials, you can refer to that code and take the best out of it. As part of this, we are going to also, for all the levels, help you provide the beginners, the intermediate and advanced assignments which will be given to you as part of the video tutorial itself. Whenever a particular module will be completed or whenever a particular video concept will be completed, we will be handing over that assignment to you, and it will be expected that you complete that assignment before you open the next module. So in this big bundle of pack, we offer this to all our students who are totally new to Java but want to have a very good hand holding on the Java. This is also for our experienced students to understand Java in the best industry way. This is also for our students who want to become a Java developer, a person who wants to really do well with the Java certifications. This course is for all such audiences. We cannot wait to offer you this course. So please stay tuned, join this material, join this course and get the best out of this complete series. Thank you, and we welcome you all on board on this amazing journey. Thank you and take care.